With a fall at a business, for instance, a parking lot, if you come to believe that security footage, video, captured your fall, it's important to put the property owner on notice to preserve any and all video. Now, for someone that was injured in an accident, to formally make that request to make sure the evidence is not lost is a little bit cumbersome. I mean, you can go to them and ask them that. But I think the best thing under those circumstances is get to a lawyer. Whether you end up hiring the lawyer for the long run or not, the lawyer is the best person to put them on notice by a specific letter that tells them to preserve all video footage. And if they don't, they're destroying evidence, because that video footage naturally will recycle itself after so many days. That'll automatically erase it. So it's important to formalize the request to preserve evidence at the risk for the property owner of being held responsible for destroying evidence. Now, if the video footage is not from the business owner or the property owner whose property caused you to fall, the condition of it, say it's a neighbor, they fall in the category of a witness. And this evidence comes in the category of an independent party having evidence of an accident or a fall. Under those circumstances, it's good to request that property owner to preserve the camera or that footage. And again, that can be a cumbersome procedure for someone who was involved in the accident, but you can try. The best is to contact a lawyer, and then the lawyer can contact the persons that we believe have footage of the accident and approach them either in person through an investigator or in person by the lawyer and ask them, please, to preserve the video, because they're not under the same legal constraints that a property owner is for the destruction of that evidence or the loss of that evidence. So under those circumstances, sometimes we talk to the witness and tell them it would be better to have the security footage or the footage they have on their own camera rather than having them have to call them as a witness. They get involved in the case to describe what happened. They have a ready-made way of showing what happened without really involving themselves much more than that. If you've been hurt in a slip and fall accident, call our office. We'd love to help.